How to buy crypto with fiat and cash out easily. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to buy crypto with fiat currency like euros or dollars in the Tangem wallet, and just as importantly, how to cash out back to your bank account whenever you need. First of all, you should set up your Tangem wallet. Click on the video here to find out how to set up the Tangem wallet without a seed phrase, or click here for the video to set up the Tangem wallet with a seed phrase. So let's jump right in. Why buy crypto with Tangem? Before we dive into the steps, here is why Tangem makes buying crypto super easy. Tangem makes buying crypto super easy because it combines bank-level security with a simple, intuitive experience. With the Tangem wallet, you hold your own private keys, no third-party custodians, while the app integrates trusted partners for seamless fiat to crypto purchases. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Casper, or other supported assets directly with your credit card, Apple Pay, or bank transfer, all in just a few taps. The entire process is fast, transparent, and secure, so even beginners can confidently purchase their favorite tokens. How to buy crypto with fiat. Open your Tangem wallet app and tap Buy. Select the crypto you want to buy from those available in your portfolio. Search for or select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, for example, Bitcoin. Then change or confirm your country of residence. Enter the amount you want to pay in fiat currency. Tangem Express will automatically fetch the best rates for your transaction. Select a different provider by tapping on the provider shown. You can also choose a different payment method at this stage. Tap Buy to proceed with the transaction. You will be directed to a secure gateway managed by the provider. Enter your details and tap Pay. The provider's KYC requirements depend on the amount you want to purchase. Once payment is complete, you can track your transaction using the Tangem app. And once your payment is received, your crypto will be sent to your Tangem wallet address. Delivery usually happens quickly, but it can take a few hours as well. Check your app regularly to make sure that you received the right amount. This streamlined process makes it easy for beginners and experienced users to buy crypto assets securely. How to cash out to your bank account. But what if you need to sell your crypto and cash out to your bank account? Easy. In the Tangem app, tap Sell and choose the crypto you want to sell. Choose your country, enter the amount, and Tangem Express will automatically fetch the best rates for your transaction. Tap Sell again, and you'll be redirected to a secure gateway managed by the provider. Enter your bank account details or card info. Confirm the sale, and the partner will handle the transaction. You'll see the funds in your account in a few hours or up to a day, depending on your bank. No complicated exchanges, no moving funds through multiple platforms. Tangem keeps it simple, fast, and secure. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Always double-check fees and exchange rates before confirming a buy or sell. Complete your KYC verification early, so you are ready to go when you need to cash out fast. And remember, integrated providers never hold your crypto. You are always in control. Buying and selling crypto doesn't have to be intimidating. With Tangem, it's as easy as a couple of taps on your phone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and drop a comment below with your questions. If you don't already have a Tangem wallet, click the link in the description to get one today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.